Hello, today I would like to show you some key Mac boot keys. So let's start from the key definitions. So here you can see how the command key looks like, and the command key is the key which is located on the most keyboards on the left and on the right from the spacebar. So next comes the control key and the option key, which might also be known as the Alt key, and it is known as Alt key to PC users. And you might know the Shift key and the Caps Lock key, and also the function key. So let's go to the key combinations which we see here, and I think that the first one is the most viable combination. It is an option key, and what it does, it actually brings up the list of all bootable drives, the CD, DVD drives, the external drives, and also all bootable drives within the internal Macintosh hard drive. So if, for instance, you would like to boot from your recovery partition, you might just hold the option key, which is also an Alt key, straight after you powered up your Macintosh, and then you should be able to boot. So holding your Shift key will bring you to a boot sequence where you should be able to boot into a safe mode. Once you have a problem with booting your Macintosh, you should be boot with the Shift key. So the left shift will prevent the auto login. So if you have, for instance, a faulty login which automatically logs on, and you have several logins to your Mac, you should hold the left shift. The C button is something from the past. So when Macs did have CD drives, if you will hold down the C button, you will boot from the C or CD-ROM. So now it will enable you to boot from external medium such as your USB thumb drive. So holding down the T key will enable you to start your Mac into the target disk mode. The target disk mode is the mode where your Mac behaves like an external drive, so you can connect it using a FireWire cable to another Mac and transfer all your files. So if your Mac is within a network and a netboot server is present, you might hold down the N key and start from the netboot server. If you hold down an X key, it will force your Mac to start up immediately, even if no volumes are present. Holding down the D key will force the Apple hardware test. However, it is not available on all Macintoshes, and on most modern Macintoshes you cannot expect this to work. So using Command and R key will bring you to booting from your recovery position. You can also do this by holding the Option key and then selecting the recovery partition. So the other two things, I would like to skip them at the moment and just go to the one of the most important options, which is resetting your NVRAM. When you have some troubles, which might be numerous with your like battery or some other Macintosh odd behavior, you might want to use this option. What you gotta do is to power up your Mac and immediately push simultaneously Command, Option, P and R buttons, and the Mac will boot once, and then it will reboot and boot with resetted settings. If you have any drives connected to your Mac, so you might hold the eject button, which is not present on most modern Macs, or the F12 button, and this will eject any removable drives from your Mac. So that is it, and thanks for watching.